What will you say? Say thank you to kuya. Wow. Ayan, picture mo na. Thank you, Toya. Salamat. Ayan o, nagyan ba siya? Pakabait eh. Sige, sige. Ito. Thank you ha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Ano si guys? Labas. Kaya may. Ayan. Yun.
Daddy,
What?
the name of the flowers.
Again.
I'm of the name of the flowers. And I saw a red gumamela. Wow, what is that? What's that flower?
Anong flower yan?
Purple bell.
Hmm?
I think that's a purple bell. Wow, there's more.
Dito tayo, ang init.
There's more yellow bell.
Ayun, punta ka lang kay Fit.
Huh? Where?
Ayun, sasakyan natin. Hey, dito, init. Init. Dito, Saiden. Ay, dito, picturean pala kita. Halika. Ayan, tayo ka lang dyan.